Hello everyone, I'm going to do something a bit different today and show you to do a really simple fox using this grid. So I've drawn in pencil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines going across and 4 lines going down. So the fox's ears are going to be in these boxes here, face will be here, little neckerchief there, and then his little feet there. So to get a nice smooth curve of the face, I'm using a ramekin. You can use a cap or anything circular and just do the curve to each of the lines here. And so you need to try and get this line as thick as possible, because when you're joining up later on it can look a bit off. Use a ramekin again. Switch up. So I'll show you what I mean when we're joining up the ears. So just to each of the lines there. Again, try and make it thick with your Sharpie. So using this square, we'll do the center of the ear there. Now the peak of the ear. And same the other side. So just curve across and curve across, and then from the center of the ear to the bottom of this corner, we're just going to do a curve down and then follow through to your line. And the same the other side. Curve down, meet this edge, keep going, join your line. So you see when I freehand, the line is a bit thicker. So I try to press as hard as possible there. So the joint when I join up wasn't as noticeable. So still tidy that up a bit. Okay, so I'm going to put the fox's nose in the middle here or out there, and then he's going to have half a white face. So I'm just going to curve out to the edge and then take that across this side. And line that up over there. And then take that across, and then draw the nose just over the top here. So do a little mark the center, bring it back up the side, and then leave a bit of white so it shows that the fox has got a shiny nose. Draw his mouth, so coming down nice and straight, and then a smiley mouth out. So curve and out, and the same the other side, curve and out. So next I'm going to draw his neckerchief. We start in the middle of these boxes here, bring it in. Same the other side, bring that in. This is the center of the neckerchief, so I'm just gonna curve it into there and curve in there, and then draw his feet. So in these two boxes here, start from the bottom of the box and curve to around about the middle of this box, and then draw the toes. So you've come back in and then curve back out, and then again curve up to about the middle of that line there and back, curve that back in, and then draw the body. So if we go there, bring down to around there, and the same the other side, line up, out here, and then brought him up to the middle toe. How's that look? Yep, that's okay. And then draw the legs, the front little legs, just a bit of a curve, and the other side, and bring it in. Draw the back of the legs then, where they would be over here. Okay, so next we'll draw his eyes. Actually, draw the ears first. So using this top line here, and then just sweep over, and the same this side. Using the top line, sweep, and then bring that across, line it up, bring that out, same this side, and then we'll draw his eyes. So if we drew the eyes lined up with the corner of the ear here and just above this line, that'll be the bottom. Then drag that over, line it up with the eye over here and there, and look at it. Does that look equal? Yeah, it looks okay. So do the top of the eye then, just in line there, round about here, and then copy it over to the other side, and then just draw circles then, which, you know, can sound simple, but it can be a bit difficult to get them equal both sides. So it's just, and then leave a nice bit of white, so we've got a bit of area to play with later on. So, how are they looking? This one needs to come down a little bit. And this one needs to be a bit under up here. Okay, I'm just going to do some pads on his feet. So do some more circles. Same the other side. And then bring his paws in. Do the same at the top. Draw some polka dots on the neckerchief. Just lining up the circles. And then in the middle of the two above. Some more. Okay, I think he's ready to be coloured in now.